So, it's literally been about a year since I posted a video. Yeah, so today we're actually going to my friend's house to go do her car, her Subaru. She's probably doing the lights now. I'm hella late. I'm supposed to help her, but you know, it's whatever. I'm sorry, I went to the gym and I don't have the S10 anymore, guys. I have that. You'll see it in another video, hopefully. I have another car coming on the ship, so hopefully there's gonna be a lot of content coming out. So they kind of, most of it done.
I can drive. You want to drive or I drive?
I can drive. This is fucking solid, dude.
Okay. I want to also get new
Headlights?
Yeah. Okay. Oh, wrong way. Oh fuck.
Oh.
This there or what? Supposed to click? Doesn't fucking.
So this side. This side too, right?
I'm gonna go to the same thing, yeah? The turn signal.
Oh, I touched it. Hold the other.
Not the right bulb.
Nice.
Gonna have one big one.
Touch it with your finger, you know, the oil from the hand going.
Crack the bulb.
There you go.
Damn.
Okay.
See if the thing will work.
Where's that halogen?
Yeah.
I was looking right into the light.
Did you see it?
I seen the light.
You seen the light?
Is it still brown?
It's still brown. I want it lighter.
So that's the lightest is gonna come. No, when you turn, that's why he said tap them into the turn signal, because when you turn that turn signal on, that thing will cut the power off to that light. And that thing will blink. Then after you power, that light will come back on again. That's what it is.
Fuck, I don't want to run this light. Yeah.
Yep, that one works.
Turn the other to make sure we put everything fucking back.
That's always the best. When you put everything back, something to work. That's so gangsta.
That's pretty cool. I ain't gonna lie. Can you change the color too? That's crazy.
That's so cool.
Yep, the splicing happens now. Leah, you got them, huh?
No. Dad, get up.
You can see how much wire you get and what you can run.
Wait, what?
Connect everything already. Connect this, tap this into here.
so gangster.
That is.
Should we cover this with electrical tape maybe?
Yeah.
Bring it all in over here.
Sure no.
Are you sure now?
Fuck it.
Turn them off.
Wait, I'll go.
Whatever works, right? If it works, it works.
Holy fuck, this is a mess of shit.
Nah, dude, it's 100% gonna look way better when everything's back together.
You're just gonna make the mess of shit look like no mess of shit. Just together.
Wait. Oops.
This one you gotta change though, yeah?
Yeah. I dropped it though, so
Ah, nah, you good? Cracker? No.
no.
You good? Here, check out the camera, bro. It's solid.
Where'd you get this camera from?
Facebook Marketplace.
From who? When brought it. How much you got it for?
$200.
Oh nah.
It's a killer vlog camera, bro. Pretty solid. Pretty solid. I'm a big fan.
Oh, you need one cameraman, dude. I can't.
Oh. Oh. My dumb. Oh, I'm fucking dumb, bro.
Going the wrong way.
Yeah. There we go.
Should we
Alright.
put this up and see if the thing works?
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
And then
You gotta turn this side of the kite on.
that's always the best. When you put everything back, something to work.
You don't have to turn it on because this halo is not on.
The halo's not on, but the sea light should be on. Remember how you guys had to something about the connector?
Was that the orange connector?
You still connected already, yeah?
Yeah, that. Unless that needs to be connected to something.
You need to cut that wire.
Huh?
Was wrapping before.
That's the only thing I can. Oh, there. There.
Oh.
There. It's that.
Was the opposite way.
Yes.
Yeah?
For real?
Hey, bro.
Okay, now I'll turn the turn signal and see if the thing works.
Oh, I hope to God it works.
Please, God.
Please. Oh,
It works.
That's gangsta.
It works.
Oh, but the auto bulb flashing too.
Yeah, so the bottom gonna flash.
Wait,
too.
but the halo's not on.
I think when
Yeah.
you turn
And then you turn off the blinker.
when you turn off, because usually the light will turn off and then so everybody can see your blinker.
Oh.
Yeah,
Right, when you turn it
yeah.
off, it should go back on. No?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Or is it halo off?
The halo on.
No, halo's off.
No, the halo's off.
Oh, there.
Okay, try doing
I
it.
think it's because it's all tapped, right? To that same. Fucking no need signal.
I don't know. Try
Should
doing.
I just take off the?
Try do them again.
Try doing again.
Now the halo's blinking orange.
What?
Tap into it.
That one gotta go back
This
there.
one.
Go back to
I'm gonna go back to here, right?
Okay.
Here we go. Here we go.
Alright. Okay.
Maybe I should look into the headlight.
Okay.
And the halo on?
The halo is blinking. The halo is blinking.
Oh, the halo's not even on right now, but.
How does it work?
Yep.
Not turn them off. Let's just see if they come their way.
And then blink them. And then turn them off. There you go. Hey!
Cherry.
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 This side's kind of slow because, you know, only do my flicks with my right hand.
Oh, you right. So. Does it do the sequential thingy?
I don't know.
It doesn't have like a RGB number or something.
I don't even know what color this is.
Oh, dude, that looks so sick.
Oh, they were still the same color before, yeah?
No, I change them.
I know she was going like this.
All on, all off.
All on? Okay.
Let's try.
This thing can come blue.
Yeah, opposite.
Oh, dude, that's a sick color. That's a nice color. That's a good color, Dad.
So what are your thoughts, sir?
Pretty good. I give it a
What's the rating?
10 out of 10 out of this. For aesthetics, I think it's pretty short.
Hmm. What is you doing?
Damn, look at that fucking cramps in my calves, bro.
Cherry.
Sick af.
Sick ass.
Sick af, bro. Thank God. Thank God everything works.
Wait, I'll text you tomorrow, yeah?
These hands are made for hands.
What?
They're made for.
Oh,
Cousin, bro, dog. I feel God in your body.
I feel God, homie. Wow. Okay. Should I do this one? Huh?
How come my check engine lights on now?
Okay, good morning. It is the next day, and we got the lights in, all the bumpers on. My grandpa's doing something over there. He's what did we do? We changed the door handles and locks, but he said he got it. So I'm going back to Leah's house to go fix her car, or at least to read the car. I don't know if I can fix it. It's like in a limp mode now ever since we did the lights. So like traction control is on, engine light is on, the car has no throttle. We're assuming limp mode, but if anybody knows, it'd be cool, you know, to help. Because yeah, we're going down now though. It's 9 o'clock in the morning the next day. We finished at around 12:30, 1 o'clock. Maybe not 1 o'clock. Like 12:30. But everything's buttoned up. Bumper, everything secured. We had a problem when we mounted it the first time with the bumper. The lights didn't, it stopped working because one of the lights were like snagged when it was in the bumper, so it was pulling and it kept blowing the fuse. So we had to take everything off. Now we're gonna put everything back, or everything is back on, but now the car doesn't move at all. So it's one problem after the other. So we just got to Leah's house. More content, right? So yeah, that's what we're getting.
Oh yeah, it is a limp mode.
So what are we gonna do, Leah? Take off the bumper and reground the wire?